is up, fishing friends? It is another day for hashtag FBD. No, in all seriousness, we have a unboxing. This is from the Hookup Tackle. Now, one thing I'll encourage people to do is think about your tackle inventory and try and get things when you can. A lot of baits sell out and they're not available for a while. That's a big problem with the Japanese stuff. So it's best to not buy it necessarily when it's the hot item to have. So this is a lot of that. Just kind of stocking up also. So we're gonna start out with some DoLive Beavers 3.5, and this is Otaku's Candy, which pretty much looks like a green pumpkin candy. I've got these for the free rig, and right now I'm going to use this G-Lock hook, mostly because it's the only thing I have that appears to fit the bait well. Now I really like these for drop shotting. They're extremely strong for a thin wire hook. We'll have to see how they work on this. I'm kind of a little tentative, but it's what I got without going to the store, which I probably will eventually, and try to get something that works. I did get something else so that I do have hooks for, but anyway, we're going to continue going through this. Some more DoLive 3.5s, and this is W27. It looks like green pumpkin blue maybe, or is it cinnamon with blue? It's hard to tell when you're a wee bit colorblind, but I think it's green pumpkin with blue. And you will also notice that's the 4-inch. So, substantial difference here. Now we can get into regular EWG offset hooks in these. Probably a 2-aught. I tried a 2-aught on the 3.5. You could do it, but it's you're pushing it. You know, it's just it's really borderline of being too much. So that's the DoLive Beaver in the 4-inch. More Otaku's Candy in the 3.5. Tackle Otaku's Recipe. Okay. Green pumpkin with purple and copper. One of my favorite colors right there. Also 3.5. Another green pumpkin, purple copper 3.5. And this is a pretty spendy little box, folks, because these DoLive Beavers, I believe, are 10 bucks a pack. There's an Otaku's Candy in the 4-inch. So I'm going to start out rigging a 3.5. Because I'm going to Clear Lake, I should probably use the 4. But what I have pulled out right now, as far as the hook, I'm gonna do a rigging video right after this video. There is another 4-inch in the Otaku's Candy. Now I don't know what this color is, but boy does it look good. It's I got 2 of them in the 3.5. Let's see if I can tell. Sprayed grass. Yep. Sprayed grass. And that looks really good. These are so small, they're almost hard with my big hands to show you. I've got some mitts. Anyway, that's a 3.5 in sprayed grass. That looks really, really good. So all of these are good, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be shy about throwing any of these. I mean, quite honestly, I would probably be a whatever pack I grab, I'm gonna throw type of deal. All right, let's get into something a little bit different here. This is called the Bull's Hog Daddy. Very similar type bait, but different. Like I said, it's similar. Hoo-wee, and are these strong smelling. So the body in this is a little different shape. Got a little more plastic there. But as you'll see, the rest of it, fairly similar. These claws have a slit in them. You'll see there, so this moves really well. Well, haven't fished these, but I'm going to say that these are definitely going to be a bit different than the DoLive. And right now, I'm kind of wishing I had got more of these. Okay, the nice thing on this pack, they kind of show you some different riggings. And they tell you 2/0 to 3/0. It says real scent and salt in the material. I'll tell you right now, there's real scent. It smells like really strong power bait. So this is the bottom up Bull's Hog Daddy. 5 baits, I believe they were $10 a pack. Color is light pumpkin purple with olive flake. 5 to a pack, like I said. I got 3 of them, okay? So you will see these are a little longer. There's a little more longer elongated body than the claws coming off of it. So you're gonna get a little more presence with these. They do show it also as a jig trailer, Carolina rig, Texas rig, free rig, and the Jocko rig, I think it's called. I don't know. That's not one I do. All right, and I got some range rollers now readily available. Okay, got some different sizes, weights, 1/0, 3/0 hooks, 3/32, 3/16. 1/8 ounce with the 3/0 hook, 1/16 ounce with the 1/0 hook. This is for minnow baits, okay, forward-facing sonar. So didn't really go with this order. Like I said, I buy things when they're available, when I can get them, because a lot of this stuff, those range rollers weren't available for a long time. And for those of you that don't know, the range roller is a special head for your jig minnows that as you shake it, it rocks back and forth like this in the water. So it really makes that bait roll a lot. Now there's specialty baits. The Shakamata shad is one. There's a raid bait called the free roller or something. It's pretty phenomenal. If you search that stuff and go look for some videos on it, there's some underwater videos, and it's amazing the action they get out of these things. It's no wonder they're catching fish on them. I mean, like anything else, you don't need forward-facing sonar, folks. You can go out and do these techniques. They will work. They will catch fish. watch the videos. I'm telling you, it's the action they put out is incredible. That's my unboxing for today. Okay, I got some more coming tomorrow. I have some other ones from yesterday. They're just a couple things, so that's why I'm waiting. We're gonna put those together, and they're kind of the same technique type stuff too. Not same technique we did today. They're the two orders are the similar type techniques. All right, and we are getting closer to Clear Lake, so we'll also go over the rods and rigs that I'm going up to Clear Lake with. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Average Angler out.